My name's Magnus Asbo. I'm a product manager with Enphase Energy, and we're here in Santa Rosa with Affinity Solar looking at Enphase's new cabling system, the Enphase trunk and drop cable. We'll go ahead and look at the cable down here, and then we're actually going to go up on the roof of this installation and have a look at how it's really been applied. So let's start off having a look at the cabling and how it works. Here is the trunk connector. This is where the microinverter will plug in. We provide you with a long length of the cable, and then you simply cut the cable to the length that you need. One end you'll be able to terminate into a junction box that goes down to your AC panel. The other end you'll terminate using a termination cap. As you go along the racking system, we provide clips that you can connect to all of the popular brands of racking, and then you simply can put the cable in place. Sometimes you'll have a length of cable that has a connector on it that you won't actually want to plug a microinverter into. If you have a connector without a microinverter on it, you simply take one of these sealing caps and place it over the gasket and press in, and it will engage with the latch, and now you have a completely weatherproof seal that'll last the life of the PV system. Let's look at how to go about terminating the cable. The Terminator comes as a kit of 4 parts. You cut the outer sheath back about 1.5 inches, 2 inches. Then you can go ahead and put the cable gland on. Then we have the sealing gasket. This will be providing the weatherproof seal, and that slips over the outer cable jacket. And now we take this wire organizer. You'll see that this makes a fitting with the gasket. And now the wire organizer part of this allows you to take each of these wires and keep them electrically away from each other. Just like that. Bend it all down. Now we just take our diagonal cutters. We'll just go ahead and cut off the excess wire. And now we have the cap, and this will hold all the wires into their pockets and provide a seal against this O-ring. All of the wires are now completely separated from each other electrically inside, and then we take the gland and we start tightening it against the wire organizer. It's compressing down onto that gasket so that it's completely weather sealed. You'll see that there's a ratcheting part here to keep it from coming apart. You can take a wrench. Here's the Enphase trunk and drop cabling tool, and we can hold the top cap in place like this and simply tighten until the ratchet bottoms out, and then we have a weatherproof seal. So now we're up on the roof where we have a beta installation of the M215s. I'm here with Jerry Schaefer with Affinity Solar Energy. Thanks a lot for having us out here, Jerry.
You're welcome.
So here you can see that Jerry's team has gone ahead and installed an M215 microinverter underneath each of these Sharp PV modules. Here we have the Enphase trunk and drop trunking cable that we saw down on the ground, but now it's running the whole length of this array and coming all the way back to a junction box. When it's time to connect the microinverter into the trunk, there's a connector here, and you simply plug it into the trunking just like that. It's now sealed and locked in place. Requires a tool to remove, a trunk and drop connect tool. Simply plug that in, and it'll allow you to pull it back out again. So Jerry, thanks for having us out. What did you think of the installation and the new products?
Well, we've been working with Enphase since the very beginning with the old 175s, and it's been a continuous development of the products becoming easier, more simple to work with, more straightforward, and it's really been an joy working with this product.
Okay. Well, again, thanks a lot for having us out.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
We only need one thing more, which is your help in providing a good name for this this trunk and drop cabling system. Trunk and drop is a great technical name, but we're hoping that you can help us by naming this product. Thanks a lot.